Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer crashes or freezes when creating new folder in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click msconfig. Click Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. Click Restart. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Troubleshooting. Click Run Maintenance Tasks. Click Next. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.